See me down the bus stop. It's Bosco, heading to my next stop. Money moves me, so I'll probably take my ass off the ground. Alarmed, I'm armed like the Boko Haram. Utilizing my rhyme, trying to be slick as I. Man, you be losing your tongue. You getting it now. Fellas had no education, lacking in his occupation. All eyes on me, I'm taking all the accusations. I know life is beyond my imagination. Life is what you make it, that's what they say, yo. I pray your word goes via the auditory and stabilize your brain, bro. Sifu.
Sibuyile futhi again. It's on fire. Pinari Spy Network to the world. Pinari to the world. That's loud, guys. To the world. Therefore, sibuyile lana we got Master Pace in the building today. We got Master Pace. Indodivela ingwenya isemandleni. Mculo wale ndoda yatmisela le ndoda icula nemathongo. So khona lentokuba nana sisikhulume namnakethu athi vele man uthini bekuzini uthini charge
yebo shano kandaba
ethi man
shano kandaba lento ikhulu kakhulu namuhla siphethe
sure
bantu labatosimela worldwide si South Africa simpumalanga sipinari baphuma la bantu asato basho dume ngalenye indlela batshela ukuthi ayipinari netibgebingu yini kanti no siyayitshintsha lento njengoba bashido labanenge siyayitshintsha ngengane so noma ungubani worldwide umrapper uthi blind in ungabuya la thina singabuye
ziganzi
sinebantu bakhona
siphula umthetho ngendlela right
yonke igenre kuthi lesingafika khona siphethe bani Master Pace skipani Master Pace
Fethu yahamba lapho kimi.
Kumnandi kakhulu Master Pace. So Master Pace, what's your name? Because we know you as Master Pace on stage, but your real name on the ID what is?
So my name is Surprise Emilio Maposa. That's my name. Emilio. It's a Portuguese name. So my father is from Mozambique, so yeah, he gave me that name, Emilio. My grandpa's name.
Yeah. Do you know the meaning of the name?
Rivalry or something like that.
Okay.
Sure.
This guy is powerful.
So ukhulele kuwena.
Mina ngwala Spar. Vele khula kwami ngikhula ngifunza msokwaba. Sokwaba primary ngiyaphuma ngifunza EJ ngiyabuya ngifunza eLikazi ZP. I'm a ghetto boy.
Short man. So this thing music art iqale vele as a hip hop artist or qale walingana kwenye ama genre or
vele ngithe vele ngikhula vele ngayela music we hip hop qala ngarapper I was 14 years old qala vele ngarapper mara yabo ukuthi like nami ngisafunza tinto vele la angirecord so khamba kwesikhathi ngicala kushaya ingoma Black Cat qala ingoma yokuqala ngayishaya lapho vele nemachita sayishaya kuhamba isikhathi so siyafunza tinto letinyuwana sengilokuvele sengihlangana nalamanye amachita uSpider X #sizonquba vele ngisapusha inamba vele kuze kufike la khona manje
ngiyalonanga ngenyanga
24 years old.
Woshaya mculo kahle straight ungathi uqala nanga
ngiqala nga 14 ingoma yaqala ngirecord I was 14 years old. Ingoma yaqala which means nyalo 10 years.
10 years. Was hip hop, was piano?
Sort of hip hop, quite doish something like that. My sapusha vele machita. So manghamba so like in the music gonna sing at it all. I mean it's okay. This is my sound. I wanna sound like this. Song at it all I feel and looks and charm music nemakenge. Nengoma futhi sishayile uma recently nje bathi yini like us. Am I right?
Yeah.
Like gas. In like gas in Peter to la Macaib.
Straight.
When I ask pronunciation and stuff.
Sure. So when lendo luyindabo yabo and the way urapha ngakhona yabo. A is international yabo. and nawulakazi kakhulu abantu batokulwisa oba bene-beef ngale sound yakho nangaleyo bathe wena ufuna ukuteka ngathi kumbe American or such a thing.
You the motivated sound. How did you manage to sound like this? Like you went to how you did manage all of this?
It's the love of the thing, yabo. Like I don't care ukuthi umuntu uthini ukuthi I sound like this. Vele don't get inspired that. If I'm inspired by that, I'm supposed to do that because I'm inspired by it. Angeke ngize ngichinje lento leyo. But music uthi ngibe good like the way la ngikhona khona ukuthi I practice. Yabo. Hey, practice is very much important.
Sure.
Yeah.
So wena khona mculo lo so release.
I mean, I'm shooting, I was in a bit of hiatus, so but in much Italian channel music, was stroke and stuff about just like Ashido, Spider X, Season Nova, Nkona La Pove on 2 tracks, Siadala and Ichita. But I'm going to drop soon because we were just managing some stuff.
Okay.
Yabo.
So bana bafuna wena bakuthola kuphi online yabo ukuthi bafuna Spider Egg wena career.
Master Pace.
Master Pace.
The power is too much.
Bunne. Bakutholakala bona Pace.
I mean, music wamkhona vele on all DSPs.
Yeah.
Master Pace. On TikTok is Master Pace TV. Sometimes I post some freestyles or some written things, written verses for my fans, just to see.
Kungcono ngoba konke lokho abantu okuthola utosifreestylela lana utosendela konke abantu okuthola lento seyihlangene yabo. Siyabonga wena Pace, siyabonga hlangana nawe igazi lami. Kuhle lapho ukuthi nishando ngale out.
Mfethu manje mculo wale azingivile ngivile le ndoda le iyakanza yayithemba mina iyakanza and nisasezivela nale mikanzo so ithe sekuthemba nanginsizwa so le motivation manje siyabonga ndoda like because ufuna ipina likule ufuna ukuthi bona ukuphi ufuna wendekeni ngawo ufuna bakubone njani bakuthathe njani nabo why should you bang
So like musically, I don't want to be seen as a celebrity. I want to be seen as a normal boy, black boy, because I'm telling a black boy story. That's me. That's me.
That's powerful. Okay. Shoot manje siyabonga. Ndombona Master Pace utosiperformela tosendela tinto letikhosi ngasikuzala danki lapho.